Hi! This video has been so much on demand, so here we are. As I promised that we are going to do set 2 of our random words. We're going to read together. Let's get into it. We are still sounding each sounds. Okay, let's do it together. The word is home. Good. These are all together, okay? This is silent. You sound this one at the end. So the word is fright. Good. What do you think the word is? Church. B. Good job. Beach. Well done. Let's change this. This turns to z. Okay? Don't say s because there's an e behind here. Okay? Close. Wow, this is longer than you expect. Let's sound this together. Let's sound slowly. It's longer. U. Okay? Barbecue. Good job. Young. Like young. Toast. Window. Good. In. Okay, let's do it again. In. 13. That is a number. What's that word? Sunday. Use. This one goes back to you, okay? Excuse. Good. Mouth. Well done. August. Don't overpronounce this, okay? Just say August. Now, this one goes back to I in this one. I. What could that word be? Cry. Like you like crying. It's the same word, cry. Number. Good. Let's time this. We do it again. Flower. A. This is a dash A. You read A with this first and read this the last. Ache. Okay, this E comes in this one. Snake, like cake. Okay. Thursday. Good. Sheep. What's the word? Sheep. This is you in barbecue. Remember our sound in barbecue? You. What's that word? You already know it. Value. Good. Again. Queen. The word is coin. Good. What's that word? Train. Grow. Like you're growing. Ew. Ew. Okay, learn that sound. So the word is few. Few. Don't overemphasize it. I. Now, this is an I, a dash I. So you read this sound is this. And we read Z. That is later. Whatever sound it will be, it might be another one. So you read it the last. So we go eyes. Okay? Prize. It's a dash I. So let's go. I. This is all together, okay? I. When you reach here, it's light, okay? Ink. Lightning. Lightning. Just go slowly and you get the word. Burnt. Good, good children. Well done. You're doing well. So let's read this. Skew. Skew. All. Some of you say all. Chalk. No? You say all. Don't over pronounce it. All. Chalk. Chalk. That one you use for writing on the board, on the blackboard. Oint. You see? Oint. What's that word? Point. You first sound slowly, then you read fast. Again. Sharper. Okay, something very sharp. Okay, this is where Y is going to sound as I also. I. You know that word? Shy. Some of you are so shy. Okay. Oin. The word is join. Ain. Chain. R. Those are two letters sounding the same, okay? They are together. It's R. Mixer. Okay, we do this one. U. This is U in barbecue. Do you see the U in barbecue? Remember that sound? U. Argue. Some of you say argue. No, it's argue. So we go. Oi. You see there is one dot. When it is one dot, read it together. Oi. Annoy. So let's sound this. E. This is a long E. Stream. Good. That word is park. Oi. Only two sounds. Oi. Boy. Brown. You know color brown? Good job. Let's go. Let's continue. Again. First. Like you want to be the first. Ing. Okay? Morning. Like tomorrow morning. Eight. The word is wait. Let's sound together. Bird. This sound in the middle is R. R for girl. And bird and some other words. I. What's the word? A short one. Pie. Okay, good. Oak, oak, talk, talk. Don't overemphasize it like you're talking. Gr, ow, nd. What's that word? The sound again. G, r. We go slowly. G, r, ow, nd. Ground. Good job. Let's go out. What's that word? Clouds. Arm, arm, farm. B, all. Now this is a word family, all. So whenever you see this letter A, L, when they're together like this, you will say all, as in ball, don't say okay, it's a word family. B, all, ball. A, n, j, oy, enjoy. A, n, j, oy, enjoy. Good, that's nice, you're doing well, children. D, r, o, draw. Good. I, tie. Wow, that's nice. A. Again, let's do it again so that you learn the sounds and read properly. A. Play. Good. A. It's a tray. Aim. Okay, this E is in this, it's a dash A, so we read this last. A. We are saying A because of this, okay? It's a dash A, so flame. Art. Start. Wow. Oh, this is a quick one. Show. Oat. What's that word? Throat. Good. That's the word. Torch. Okay, we do it again. Straw. Why are we saying I? Because of the E at the end. It's a dash I. Okay? That sound is the word kite. I for kite. So that's why we're saying I here. I. The word is shine. I. These ones are silent. Okay? Just say I. Okay? What's that word? Down. Short. Okay, let's sound this long word and we go slowly. Okay, astronaut. Okay, it's a long one. Good. Astronaut. And this one is ouch. What word is that? Coach. And the last one is A. You see this? A dash A. A. The word is game. And that is the end of our reading random words. For now, see you in the next video. Thank you.